ब्लैक एंड वाइट ही रखते हैं पूरी, ठीक है. Did I say that any guy would not like me for me? Okay, let me complete that sentence. It was a fleeting thought. So okay, I'm a very practical person, and I think any guy would not like me for me unless he will spend time with me, not when he's sitting somewhere and he has created some dark fantasy biscuit in his head about me. I have something. I will post that to explain this. Yeah. But yeah, I'm very shy. Like I am the most shy person anybody will meet in their whole life. But like, I'm different when I love people. Yes. Like, is there any flower which like like blooms in presence of love? Yeah, yes, I'm that. Genuine one, not like emotional manipulation. So that other section guy, him. I don't like when they pretend. You think, okay, Pookie, I'm gonna tell you something. I don't need a guy ka social to know what is the last thing he searched. I don't need that. I am that girl. So like, I know when they pretend to be your friend. I dislike that a lot. A lot. Don't you have other things to do in your life? Be a genuine friend to somebody. Nah, I'm going to pretend to be Ridhima's friend. Just but even I have done that in like as a 11 or 12-year-old. I find it silly. I do. I find it silly. But I know when they pretend. I know the intent. It's like we just want to be around, you know? Yeah, yes. Of course you want to be around. I like Pyar and Core ka melody from one and only Nanku Sharma's album. Ooh. It was so good. Visri ka another song. Visri, which is a Tamil song. उसका chord मिल जाता तो मज़ा आ जाता. इधर I'm just singing that. Yeah, yes. I think G है और C है और मैंने थोड़ा सा AI से पूछा था. Because I was doing something. Yeah, yes. So I think G hai though. I think G. But like it's such a pretty song. Like எதுவரை போகலாம் என்று நீ சொல்ல வேண்டும் எனாங்க கேட்கிறேன் மட்டுமே யாரோ கனாக்கன பூங்காற்றே நீ வீசாதே நானானிங்கே விசிறி so like they just know, like the South Indians just know. Yes, I also think Sevashi is a South Indian because ऊपर से RD North Indian and दिल से RD South Indian, so I can tell. I think he's a South Indian. He has that vibe. Also, he looks like a teenager guy. Yeah, he does. He looks like a teenager guy. I miss my juniors today for some reason. Two specific juniors. एक का नाम था आदर्श and the other one का name था साजिद. तो there was a camp and we had to go as translators for the doctors who came from the foreign country, probably Singapore. Yeah, yes, they were not from Japan. I think they were from Singapore. ऐसे कुछ भी बता देते अपने को यार. I think they were from Singapore. This is my theory. इतना अपने को समझ में आया. ठीक है. हाँ. I don't know. Like I think the body language gave it away. Yeah, yes, but okay. Konnichiwa. But yeah, okay. But yeah, I think they were from Singapore. So we did go, or some of my juniors also did go. So we had an amazing time. Yeah, yes, amazing, absolutely amazing time. Or like my juniors, मेरा like it was so like बहुत humidity थी बहुत ज़्यादा उस दिन. हम लोग like 4-5 दिन के लिए गए थे मे बी. तो like उन 4-5 दिन में से एक दिन बहुत humidity थी. And I drank water of all my classmates. Yes, I did. I was a bully. Yes, the other section guy, when I asked for his water bottle, I did not even say, hey, can you give me? I was like, your bottle. And he said my name once and I was like, bottle. And he had to give it to me. He had no choice. Yes. So I did drink his, I stole his water basically. Yes, I did. I stole anybody who was around me, I drank their water. Yes. And then my juniors were going outside. They were in charge to like distribute water bottles in like different rooms, and they were in charge of different things also. So जब वो लोग जा रहे थे तो I was like the first water bottle in this room. किसको आनी चाहिए? तो they both said my name together. Like it echoed sort of. They were like सबसे पहले श्रीपति को. And I I remember that, and they actually lived up to that. They were so sweet, both of them. And sometimes they call you Didi essay, and they don't mean it. You think I can't tell? What makes you think that? Yeah, but they always meant it. Yeah, yes, Adarsh and Sajid were like two people who always meant it when they called me Ridhima Didi. So when they showed up with water bottles, so like Sajid gave me like two water bottles, and then Adarsh gave me like three water bottles, and then I had like five water bottles. As a like as though I hid like four water bottles. I was like इसको छुपा देते अपने बैग में. Yeah, yes, I actually did. And like एक I was like drinking to show कि this is how much I got. And then they were like कि एक they were like एक कार्टन पीछे एक्स्ट्रा है वो भी लाके आपके बैग में डाल के देंगे. I was like, no, it's fine. Like, thank you. And like, yeah, yes, I was so grateful. I was like, बहुत इतनी गर्मी थी उस दिन. I was like, यार यार इन लोग की उम्र कितनी लंबी हो यार, मेरे पानी पिला दिया उन दोनों ने उस दिन. हाँ, like, they were very sweet. Yes. Adarsh and Sajid were very sweet. I also loved Sarojini and Zanab from that same section. Yeah, yes, they were my favorite. Sarojini, oh my god. She put the H in humor. Yeah, yes. So I don't know why I missed all of them today for some reason. Or I also did complain कि मतलब the food that we got there तो उसमें like pickles नहीं थे, and I love pickles. I love spicy. Yes, I love spicy and tangy food. So I did look at them and I was like इसमें चारी नहीं है. And they arranged pickle. Yeah, yes, they arranged pickle. Like वो like for some reason the food for the like doctors and stuff that was like separated ऐसे different थोड़ा कर दिया था कि मतलब this is for the students and this is for the doctors who were inside like I can't recall आयुर्वेदी और एलोपैथी. I can't recall इतना. ठीक है, जितना भाई को याद आएगा उतना बोलेगा. हाँ, राधे मोहन. हाँ, तो just I can't recall that, but like ऐसे थोड़ा divided था ताकि like they should not be rushed when the doctors go and eat and when students go and eat. तो like थोड़ा divided था. तो like मैंने देखा था कि doctors के section में अचार था, तो मैंने वो चीज़ बोली उन लोगों को कि वो this is why is like why why is the pickle there and I don't get no pickle? This is not good. Not good. I love pickle. Yes, I love pickle. So I did tell them, and they were like, "Ridhima didi बोला करना पड़ेगा." And they got pickle for me. Like I was like, "Bro, just the arm wala, just get the arm wala." They got it for me. Can you believe that? Also one time, I can't recall कौन से batch का farewell हो रहा था, पर उसने बहुत कम चाउमीन सर्व की थी एक्चुअली, एंड आई डिड टेल माय फ्रेंड अबाउट इट. तो no, one more story. तो I stopped fighting with boys in 6th standard. Yes, in 6th standard, because there was a teacher and his name was Israr sir, and he was very dangerous. Yes, because he used to beat the shit out of boys. Yeah, yes, he used to do that a lot. So I would see him and I would feel bad. I was like, अभी इससे तो like इसमें एनर्जी नहीं बचेगा, मैं क्या इसके साथ खेलेगा लंच में. Like he used to like sort of like ऐसे जैसे कपड़े को you clean, that is how he used to treat boys of my class. So I used to feel sad and mad both at the same time. And I did not tell anybody about it. But उसके बाद I just stopped fighting with boys in lunchtime. Yeah, I stopped fighting with them at all. I was like, he already धुल रहा है इसको क्या. Level का होना चाहिए match. Round 1 fight mode ultra kill. Yes. Round 1 fight mode ultra kill. Yeah, yes. But till that point, so I will not fight, man. Yeah, yes. So I did stop fighting, and one classmate of mine did observe this about me. I did not tell this to anybody. Like I did not. If they used to approach me, कि हाँ Ridhima, let's go and fight. So I used to say, yeah, no, I don't want to fight. Some of them would say silly things or behind my back or anything else. So I did not react at all. I did not. But like one of my friends did like observe this, and he pointed it out in 8th standard maybe. He was like, the moment Ridhima saw Isra, she was like, अब नहीं लड़ेगा किसी से. But I told my friend about it, and maybe that guy friend of mine, he was maybe sitting behind me. So I told her, I was like, यार ये क्या कर रहा है, like इतना नहीं करना चाहिए इनको. So he did hear that. Yeah, yes, he heard that. So he did narrate it in 8th standard maybe. And then I cut that friend off from being friend because he was supporting a pedophile guy. I got too much rules. I got too much rules. Yeah, yes. He was supporting a pedophile guy. दूर से हाय, दूर से बाय. राधे मोहन के पास ना आए. Yes. हाँ, just मतलब सच्ची, like he was supporting a pedophile guy, so I just cut him off completely. But he was a really good friend. He was actually a good friend. I wish he was not like that. Yeah, yes. because I had such a cool memory ki hum log like we did dance together on farewell. Like this is a very platonic bond we're talking about. Okay, you can be comfortable with your platonic friends. Yes. So yeah, yes, and in fact, when I have romantic feelings for somebody, so I get very nervous that I will say something silly, like jump 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 Buddha. I either that or I will disappear. Yes. मला जाऊ दे ना घरी आता बसेले I don't know. I heard this song somewhere. And it is like playing ऐसे चल रहा मन में कहीं background में किसी file में. Just I will say something silly. Yes, I will. If I feel nervous I get nervous in romantic situations. So I will say something silly. But he was a really good friend and we did dance on like farewell together and then when we did go to eat like जहाँ पे हम लोग सब लोग खड़े हो गए खा रहे थे वहाँ पे तो like it you're supposed to like take one serving like कि एक बार चाउमीन फिर एक बार ये फिर एक बार वो फिर like something sweet and stuff. So I did ask him. I was like, you need to get one more chopping for me. Like, he was like, yeah. I was like, yes, right now. And he actually did. He got it 4 times. Yes, he got noodles for me 4 times. And the teacher, our English teacher, yes, Rodney sir did catch him. He was like, where are you taking this? So he put it on his other friend. He was like, ये मांग रहा था. Just sir मेरा हो गया. Like he so the English teacher did see him. Like he saw both of them, but he did not see me. I was standing a little far. So what the literature teacher did? He called me and he was like, see, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Don't steal Ridma's food. And he was watching from far, so he knew that I ordered him. Yeah, I did order him. Yes, I did. So I just said that he was don't steal Ridma's food. And then he gave it to me. And then I looked at both of them. I was like, could you not be a little more like sneaky about it? Just be more lucky. Like he did not have to know that. I don't know why my literature teacher would always catch me eating something. Everybody in the class used to eat everything. Please. I know them. They all used to eat things all the time. But most of the time, the literature teacher would always catch me. I'm not that good at I don't know. Like somebody can see my face and like guess what are you eating? Yeah, yes. This is not good, Just and he said my name. He was like, don't steal Ridma's food. Don't give it to anybody. But he was such a good friend of mine. But it was important to cut him off because he was supporting a pedophile guy. Yeah, yes. Like दूर से आए, दूर से बाय. राधे मोहन के पास ना आए. हाँ. I was watching this really old series, or there was something in that series that like. It's a very difficult question. I did write it, but I still don't understand it. Or वो movie जिसमें वो Fafa follows that girl and he's trying to touch her hair from behind and stuff and they have a connect or something. I still don't understand it. What is going on in that movie, bro? Yeah, yes. Why is she so quiet though? I don't understand how she's so quiet about it. Also, like, how will you make a song sound like me if you have never spent time with me? I like you had 2 weeks. I think 1 week is almost over. I don't know what they're making. Like, I'm not even worried about it. Unless any one of you is going to climb my balcony, not going to pay attention. Yeah, yes. I actually don't. I don't romanticize the boyfriend guy characters. I romanticize the specific husband guy characters. Not all of them, no. Not all. Some of them. The ones who are decent. And like the ones who have the ones who admire their wife. Yes. I think they make you their girlfriend and then they want you to act like their wife. So pick one poison, Pookie. Ah, yes, they want you to act like their wife. So it's like. The question from this series was, what is the difference between a breakup and a divorce? तो ऐसे राधे मोहन बहुत ध्यान से सोच रहा था क्योंकि तो I have never done live-in with a guy, so I don't know what like how that can change a person when you just stop living with them. But yeah, the question in the series was how is a breakup different from a divorce? तो वही मैंने सोचा वही this थोड़ा सा कोलाइड हुआ थॉट ऐसे थोड़ा क्वांटम फिजिक्स करते just I'll tell you wait. वही मैं like they make you their girlfriend and then they want you to act like their wife and then they themselves start acting like the husband guys. So what is the difference? Like like Radhe Mohan confused. हाँ हाँ तो इससे अच्छा I don't know about anybody and I know it works for some people. I know it works for some people. I think some people can act like boyfriends and girlfriends. I think they don't act like husband and wife. तो which is cool. But अरे जिस तरीके से that guy explained, okay, so what happened was his wife sort of gave him a divorce and then she married another guy. I know, right? Yeah. Uh, So he had to. He was basically in a thoda sa. He was having this conversation with a friend. So and she was a little younger than him. No sexual attraction. Don't make everything sexual. सुधर जाओ सारे थोड़ा सा yes nothing sexual they were just talking with each other तो she did point it out कि तो he was a little mad कि मतलब he was dealing with his divorce and stuff and he was still not over his wife and his wife मतलब वो उसका उधर सर्व मंगल मांगल्य हो गया किसी के साथ शिव सर्वादु शादी के and this girl uh, also like broke up like she was also going through a breakup basically but like we don't the guy her boyfriend basically we don't know much about him yet okay तो शी इज़ आस्किंग फ्रॉम लाइक ऐसे कुछ लैश आउट किया उसके फ्रेंड ने डिवोर्स वाले ने ही लैश आउट थोड़ा कि क्या कहते हैं माई सिचुएशन इज़ लाइक मोर सीरियस देन यू या वी कैन टॉक अबाउट यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स अभी यू हैव टू लिसन टू मी तो शी does not say anything she gets very quiet okay she gets very quiet and then she like ऐसे she looks at him and then ऐसे थोड़ा सा ऐसे थोड़ी लाइटिंग चेंज हो जाती है क्या मस्त या इस तरीके से हल्की सी लाइक इट्स अ लिटिल बिट थोड़ा सा अंडरटोन हो जाता है हल्का लाइक purplish plus blue yeah yes and then slowly she's like what is the difference between a breakup and a divorce तो वहीं पे एपिसोड खत्म कर देते हैं मतलब I can go and watch it but I like watching one episode per day or one episode in 2 days तो I can wait and then it helps me to like वो राधे मोहन का creativity time है yes I can wait because I can wait I'm not okay this is why I say I don't understand myself because I'm a very complex person sometimes I'm very impatient sometimes I'm very patient does that make sense so because I love this question so I'm okay with uncertainty yes that I enjoy uncertainty sometimes yeah yes so like what is the they were like this वहीं पे episode like खत्म हो गया and I don't want to know what's in the next episode I want to write I want no not write I just want to understand that question पहले तो हाँ मतलब what is the difference Poogie, I don't know. Like, I am so shy. I've never. I write poem about somebody and then I like forgetting about them. Yes, but like, actually, seriously, relationship. I don't know much about it. I don't know. Not because I did not get opportunity to, but because it's the husband guy characters I romanticize. Yes, yeah, yes, and none of the boys have ever given me like husband guy vibe. Yeah, yes, just one classmate of mine who used to write with left hand. Just him. But if I keep him aside, then nobody. My classmate who used to write with left hand, he was in 11th standard with me. Yeah, yes. Did I tell him I wrote something for him? No, I did not. But yeah, I romanticize the husband guy characters more because it's the movies I watched earlier as a kid. Yeah, yes. Believe it or not, the things that you watch as kid earlier sort of stays in your subconscious and you sort of create a world around it. Like I am 100% sure I will get a mother-in-law like मैंने प्यार क्यों किया वाली mother-in-law. Yeah, yes. Somebody who's a little nosy, little dramatic, and someone who can match my wit. But somebody who's more extrovert than me. Yeah, yes. And the husband guy character, Sunil Dutt from Mera Saya movie. Yeah, yes. The plot is very simple. His wife dies basically, or फिर एक another woman shows up who looks exactly like his wife. So they are in a this is a court sequence movie, a court drama movie, very romantic. People love music of this movie. Okay, so she is saying कि I am your wife और वो neglect कर रहा है कि he's like कि नहीं मेरी wife की तो death हो गई. So the way he's neglecting it, unless and until a guy neglects every girl like that, And he has that knowing in his heart, yeah, but this is not Riddhima. हाँ तो तब तक I don't want you, go. Like they can keep you in their nail polish का डब्बा, they can keep you in their earring का box. I don't care. I guess. Like you need to watch that scene where he's like कि तुम बस मेरी बीवी की आत्मा को चोट पे पहुंचाना चाहती हो, तुम धोखेबाज हो, तुम बस मेरी बीवी की आत्मा को चोट पहुंचाना चाहती हो. The way he's so practically romantic. That's called a practically romantic guy. And who is the hopeless romantic? Abhimanyu from Meri Pyari Bindu. I don't like him. I'll tell you why. He was already in a relationship and he was still prioritizing बिंदु. अब तुम लोगों ने जितने अच्छे अच्छे गाने लगा के उस पर एडिट्स बना दिए, उससे फिर भी वो लाइक सच्चाई जो एक्चुअली ट्रूथ है वो चीज़ नहीं हट सकती कि यू इन अ रिलेशनशिप विद समबडी, ओके, एंड यू प्रायोरिटाइजिंग सम बिंदु. Some Bindu. I don't care which Bindu, how Bindu, but you are prioritizing her. And his girlfriend did observe these things. Bindu herself observed these things. Believe it or not, Bindu did not want to spend her whole life with Abhimanyu because she observed these things about him, even if she did not vocalize it. Yeah. When I did watch it, I was like, Bindu is the most fucking observant girl in the whole movie, and she did observe this about him, कि he neglected his girlfriend for her. You think women don't observe that? It might give, okay, people with mommy and daddy issues, it gives them ego boost. हाँ मतलब अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को छोड़ के मेरे साथ बैठ गया. तो people with mommy and daddy issues, they feel that कि it gives them a ego boost. It gives them ऐसे like false sense of self. हाँ, it gives them false sense of self कि हाँ he doesn't care about his girlfriend, he cares about me more. So that's not very solid. That's not a very clear thinking. Bindu was not like that. She observed it. She did not vocalize it. She did not feel special in the moment कि मतलब हाँ अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को भूल के like he's sitting with me, he's prioritizing me more. She was not like that, but she did observe this about him, and there were so many points. I have like 100 mark question. Yeah, yes, like I can like say like 53 things that Bindu observed about Abhimanyu which made her not want to marry him, when in reality the guy that she got married to, he was opposite of Abhimanyu. Yeah. Huh. But we'll focus on the Sunil Dutt ka character from Mera Sai movie. So I love how much he loves his wife. Like his wife is dead and he's believing कि मतलब हाँ his wife is dead and stuff. तो like उसकी wife ऐसे थोड़ी सी डायरी लिखती थी, गाने वाने गाती थी, और like he's थोड़ा सा atheist type का character, and वो ऐसे घूम रहा है पूरे घर में. He's trying to like he's a little like he misses her a lot. Yeah, yes, and he's just thinking about her, and he is just like he's lost in her thought and everything, and he's like ऐसे गोल गोल घूम रहा है हर जगह. And जो song she used to sing for him, he's sort of reminiscing all those things one by one. I love that movie. Yes, I love it when men sit and cry. Okay, not like that. Just, I like the longing of that character, Sunil Dutt's character. Sunil Dutt is one of my favorite actors. Sunil Dutt is the father of Sanjay Dutt. Yeah, yes. So Sunil Dutt is one of my favorite actors because he's very expressive with everything, with his body language, with his vocab, like very clear dialogue delivery, and his expressions, and he's completely that character. You will not feel कि he's not that character, not even for 1 second. So he like completely takes in the melancholy, and he's like thinking about her, and then वो एक जब स्टार्टिंग में ही जब वो कोर्ट रूम में उसके सामने खड़ा है तो he's not even facing her. He's like कि वो लड़की जो चीज़ें क्लेम कर रही है कि मैं हूँ, लाइक कि आई एम योर वाइफ, तो वो शी डज क्वेश्चन हिम कि वाई आर यू नॉट लुकिंग एट मी व्हेन यू आर आंसरिंग माय क्वेश्चन. तो ही इज लाइक आई डोंट नीड टू लुक एट यू, एंड आई वाज लाइक दिस गाय इज सो पेटी. मतलब ओके, that was too much. Yeah, yes, that was like कि I mean, yeah, I do want my husband to not like flirt around with other women, but I would not want him to be like so disrespectful ki he was so petty in that, but I love it. It is so funny. It is funny. He's like he's not even looking at her. Like in the starting, he's not looking at her, and then he starts looking at her, and he's so mad. Yeah, he's so mad. He's like, you're just pretending. And whatnot. And he like, which is very like okay, valid. His emotions and his perception and his expression was very valid, बहुत ज़्यादा, because his wife died like very recent, and then some person from somewhere shows up and be like, no, I'm your wife. So anybody would behave like that. So he had that kind of reaction कि he could not. He was very petty. Yes, I like that character. Yes, I do. I was like, this is so cool. Pack one. Okay, one is enough. Yes. I got shit to do. Yeah, yes. And while he will be out conquering his world, I can do my shit, and then like I can shower him with my love, and then he can go and conquer the world again. Yes. And then I can just do my thing again. Yes. Yeah, yes. But like I love Sunil Dutt's character from Mera Saya movie. Like, bro, so awesome. तुम मेरी बीवी की आत्मा को चोट पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही हो. The way he says that, I watched that scene again and again. Yeah, yes, the way he is like कि he does not give a shit कि ये कौन कोई नहीं. कोई he is like नहीं. He like just so good. Yeah, yes. Yeah, yes. He has that very, he has such strong admiration and love for his wife. Yeah, yes. He's finding it very difficult. It was not that he was having a like a aggressive reaction. It was actually difficult. It was difficult for him to face this woman. Ki acha she looks like, why does she look like him, look like her? First of all, so he's a little intrigued, but it is very difficult for him. It was difficult for him to even look at her. It was difficult for him to like to hold conversations. That why that silly, he was coming across as very petty, but in reality it was very difficult for him ki matlab like he was sitting there and crying. He was crying halfway through. He's just crying in the movie and reminiscing about his wife. So, huh. But I romanticize the husband guy characters a lot. Just the selected ones. Like the first one is the Sunil Dutt character from Mera Saya movie. Yeah, and he is like the every argument she makes, he tries to connect it with समथिंग एल्स की. अच्छा तुमको ये इसलिए पता है क्योंकि शायद किसी ने गॉसिप कर दी होगी इसलिए तुमको ये पता चल गया, या ये वो जो भी एनीथिंग दैट शी इज ट्राइंग टू प्रूव कि अच्छा शी इज हिज वाइफ, तो ही इज ट्राइंग टू flip the conversation or deny. Yeah, yes, flip the conversation or deny. But it is so fun to watch. I love that movie so much. Yeah, yes. तुम मेरी बीवी की आत्मा को चोट पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही हो. he is so, yeah, yes, he's so sweet. I was like, please sit down, I will cry. Yeah, he's so sweet. He is very like I said, practical romantic guy. He's very practical and romantic. You can be practical and romantic. You don't need to be Shah Rukh Khan from Om Shanti Om. Be Sunil Dutt from Mera Saya movie. Yes, I love him so much. He's my favorite. Oh my god. I cannot take that scene out of my head when he's not even looking. He's so petty. He's not looking at her, and she's like, आप मेरी तरफ देख के बात नहीं, आप मेरी तरफ देख के क्यों नहीं जवाब दे रहे हैं? तो he's like, तुम सवाल पूछते जाओ, मुझे तुम्हारी तरफ देखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Like he's so, yeah, yes, I love how petty he is. Yeah, yes, but in reality it was difficult for him. It was difficult for him to even talk about his wife in such a public space. Yeah, yes, and I say there are little moments in the movie and how the story moves ki where you will see ki it's very difficult for him ki he saved Mangalsutra of his wife. This is such a hardcore lover boy. This is such a hardcore lover boy. He saved Mangalsutra of his wife because he was like कि I wanted कि उसकी कोई चीज़ मेरे पास रहे, और like कि yeah, yes, तो इतने में when he's being mad at this girl who looks like his wife and everything, वो थोड़े थोड़े से clues मिलेंगे कि he's actually, this situation is very difficult on him कि मतलब कहाँ से, he's not some कि इधर घर वाली इधर बाहर वाली इधर कहीं कुछ हो रहा है. इधर जैकलिन फर्नांडिस आंगन में आइटम नंबर चल रहा है. No, like that was not. He was very melancholic. And how do people process somebody ka death? I तो never. It can take you a lot of time, but I think the people who die, we keep them. We are hypocrites and we hide things and we keep things of people with us even if they die. Like not with a, not to hurt ourselves but to keep something of theirs alive. हाँ कि मतलब ऐसा कुछ जो belong to the person who died, let's say, तो वो stay with us to like कि ऐसे कुछ रहे, like sort of memorable कुछ ऐसा. We human beings like holding on to things, so like ऐसा कुछ memorable रहे, तो इसीलिए he was holding on to the Mangalsutra of like his wife. Sunil Dutt was holding on to the Mangalsutra of his wife कि नहीं, you know, ये like मैंने अपनी wife का मंगलसूत्र अपने पास रख लिया क्योंकि like I just like, he was like कि ये प्रथा के खिलाफ है फिर भी मैंने ये किया, तो ये पैकेज मिल जाता तो ठीक रहता. हाँ, एक एक पैक कर दो बस. बस हाँ. Sunil Dutt package from Mera Saya movie, guess. I love that scene so much. Every time he's being petty to her, so he's not being disrespectful to her. It's that ki he she looks like her. Yes, she looks exactly like his wife. So it is very, he's finding it very difficult to not find her beautiful. Yes, my man in a dharm sankat. A dharm sankat indeed. Yeah, yes, like that's why he was not looking at her because Yeah, yes, because he was thinking about his wife. He was thinking about how she used to sing for him, or like अलग अलग चीज़ें, like everything, like hmm, he has such emotional depth. He has such a beautiful emotional depth in that whole movie. You will see the things that he remembers about her, the things that he will say in the courtroom about her, by the way, and everything else, and how slowly things unfold and everything, and um all the songs that she sung for him. He remembers all those songs. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है about his wife that is not precious to him. Yes, like nothing, nothing in the world about his wife was not precious to him. Like even her Mangal Sutra, like after death he was supposed to like give it away with it. He was like, no, this is precious to me. He's like, every single thing about her is precious to me. Like it's just Radhamon thinks it is very cool. Like yeah, I guess so. This is why. See, I watched that movie earlier on as a kid. Yeah, that and oh Gaura Majjave song, though, it's very. I don't know. I connect that with romance and love. Yes, I connect that. Huh. um. Bye. उसमें एक लाइन है उस गाने में. तू अगर उदास होगा तो उदास होंगी मैं भी, नजर आऊं या ना आऊं तेरे पास होंगी मैं भी. And I was like, why this movie just makes me feel shit. Yeah, yes, it can make you feel things, bro. Like it's so like because when you will sit, तो ऐसे there are also comic moments in that. Like, bro, old movies, please, nothing can beat old Bollywood movies. Nothing in the world. They're Hollywood bad में. Just Americans bad में. I don't care. Okay, I think Bollywood rocks. I think old Bollywood movies are like, bruh, like everything, the timing, the pace, the body language, the dialogue delivery. हाँ मतलब maybe they did not have that much cinematography वाला उतना information कि मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा blue undertone लाना है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा white, ऐसे थोड़ा सा white लगेगा, इधर से थोड़ी सी green lighting, इधर से थोड़ा सा yellowish glow आना चाहिए. Maybe they did not get into that much detail, which is okay. But I love black and white का ऐसे पूरा. Yeah, I guess I love those movies so much. ऐसे like my heart is like yeah, but that song is really beautiful. तू जहाँ जहाँ चलेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. तो it's very romantic. So hmm. कभी मुझको देख के जो बहेंगे तेरे आंसू तो वहीं पे रोक लेंगे, उन्हें आके मेरे आंसू तू जिधर का रुख करेगा मेरा साया साथ होगा. It is so beautiful, bro. It's so pretty. That whole movie is like, it's so cool. Especially how he's like, तुम मेरी बीवी की आत्मा को ठेस पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही हो. I love how aggressive and petty he gets. हाँ, it's obvious कि I watch विराट कोहली के old videos. I do. I watch विराट कोहली के old videos क्योंकि I love ऐसे थोड़ा सा not aggression, intensity. Yes. I love how intense Virat Kohli was. I watch his old interviews sometimes. He has such a. तुम लोग मुझसे बात कर रहे थे? He has that. He has that intensity and attitude. Yeah, I guess he. I just find him funny. Yeah, yes, he. एक तो I did watch last night is. Those Australian players, they did something wrong. Yeah, yes, कुछ तो they did cheat or something. तो hey, don't tell my brother. I act like I don't know shit about cricket in front of him because I like when he talks about it. Yeah, yes. So this stays between me and you. Yeah, yes. So I actually don't know that much, but I know thoda thoda. So because it depends what I'm doing research on in the middle of the night. So I can learn quantum physics in two hours. Yeah, yes. तो research पे depend करता. हाँ, तो just तो कुछ तो I was doing तो उसमें I did need तो देखा मैंने एक इंटरव्यू विराट कोहली का एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन प्लेयर के साथ था. मतलब दे जस्ट हैड अ मैच विद ऑस्ट्रेलिया और मतलब कुछ तो लाइक विराट कोहली से और एक और दूसरा प्लेयर था, उसका नाम नहीं पता मुझे. ऐसे ही लुक्ड लाइक अ बॉइल्ड एग. दे ऑल लुक लाइक दैट एंड उसकी गोल्डन ब्राउन बियर्ड. हाँ, तो ठीक है, अपने को विराट कोहली समझ आता है. हाँ, मुझे नहीं पता उसका नाम. So he was there and so he said something to Virat Kohli और Virat Kohli turned and said something back. Yes. और तो जब they met the press again, so the press was like कि you really like getting aggressive on the field. तो विराट कोहली ने इग्नोर किया क्वेश्चन. उसने उसने जवाब उसने कुछ नहीं बोला. उसने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. उसने वो बैठा हुआ था, उसने कुछ नहीं बोला. तो वो प्रेस वाले बंदे ने दोबारा पूछा कि आई हैव हर्ड मिस्टर कोहली लाइक्स गेटिंग अग्रेसिव ऑन द फील्ड्स एंड विराट कोहली लाइक एंड देन ही लुक्ड और ऐसे लाइक सो चिल, लाइक ही इज सो चिल, ही इज नॉट इवन same guy who just abused somebody. He's so chill. He looked and he was like, he looked at them and he was so chill about it. He was so fucking chill about it. And then he looked at them and he gave that reaction. He was like, I like handling aggressive things with aggression, and the field is a place where I think aggression is most needed. So no, I don't regret doing anything. He had that. Oh! Wow! Yeah, yes. Then he also did say something else. So we yaad nahi aa raha Radhe Mohan ko, but he also did say something else. But he had that. I don't regret anything. हाँ. ठीक कहा तूने, झूठ कहा मैंने. सीज करूँ. Yeah, yes. I love Virat Kohli का. I love his